will cover all the functions wherever you are for driving market growth and economic development. For the last 30 years, this premier trade fair has provided a unique opportunity for local and international business to connect, to collaborate, and to expand their reach. The fair has consistently attracted a diverse range of exhibitors from various sectors, showcasing the best of Uganda's industrial capacity alongside innovations from around the globe. 30 years of industrial excellence reflects the journey we have undertaken from our to become a beacon of industrial growth in Uganda and beyond. Our association has grown from a small collection of manufacturers to a vibrant body representing a wide array of industries, including agriculture, food processing, textile, construction, technology.
Been behind the existence of Uganda Manufacturers Association. At Roofings, we believe that working together is the only way that can lead Uganda into more than the medium style of living. Together, bigger, better. Of course, we started small, but we have been members of UMA when it was small. The good thing is that our vision bearer, Dr. Skanda Lalani, together with those originals, unfortunately these things are covering them, you can't see, they thought it right. And the only way Uganda can compete, can be able to supply the international market, of course after covering the local market, is through industrialization. And this industrialization cannot be a one-way traffic.